I'm going to be first. I'll show you that why I ground those corners off. That's the bolster I'm going to be using while I drift it. It sits inside there better. In fact, no. I mean, if those corners were there, it wouldn't sit inside that bolster as well. So that's why I took those corners. So before you get ready to drift the eye, you need to set it all up. Have your drift ready. Put your bolster on the die. These are how I'm going to spread the cheeks. And then the pair of tongs that I'm going to use to grab the drift while I stretch those cheeks out. 3/4. These are the old off-center product tongs. 1-800-994-G, and that was back when Grant Sarver still had a toll-free number. Drifting the eye is kind of slow and steady, trying to keep things even. I always like to give a few hits there, a few blows from both directions. Scoot the bolster over, grab the drift, get your fullers, start in the middle. Flip it over, do the same thing. Now, on the first few runs, if that doesn't knock itself loose, so I should have had this set up as well, but whatever. You got to bring this over here. Take this. Usually the drift will fall out up there. Sometimes I got to bring it over here. Now, what you're looking for here, these are a few things that are really, really incredibly important before you drift that other side. Look at your thicknesses. This is a little bit thicker, and it's just from the way that I fullered. I probably caught the edge of this side a little bit more at the bottom with the fullers than I did this side. This side's thicker. Another thing that I do to make sure that the hammer is not to one side is I flip it over on a flat surface and look at it to make sure that it's not tilted. It's flat, so I'm good. One more thing I'll do is I kind of highlighted that corner again. So before I drift that other side and make sure it gets a nice fit in the bolster, I'll go and knock these corners off one more time. And if you want to get the thicknesses equal, here's a little trick. You can do it right now. Like I said, that side is a little thicker. So even them up right now instead of waiting. You can just use the bottom wheel and even out the thickness. Now you've got the same thicknesses. You've got the little half circle, whatever you would call it. It'll fit in the saddle better. Now you're ready to drift from the other side. Again, make sure everything's ready. Bolster. These can be here. They don't want to get in the way while working. Tongs to use for the drift. And something you got to remember too is this is a video, so I'm not working as efficiently and as fluid as I usually would making this hammer. I would usually be going through all these things a lot faster, but I want to stop and talk a little bit about each thing that I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So it's might seem like it takes me a long time to make this hammer, but when I'm working without explaining it all and making a video, it goes a lot faster. I usually can, I don't know, give or take, make this hammer in 20 to 25 minutes. Drive that grip too far down. If you do, you won't be able to grab onto it. I just about got it too far. As you can see, after that side, just a hair thicker. When you do things like this, it's constantly correcting things, and instead of waiting until the hammer is done to fix it, you're doing it as you go. And I find that using a grinder is a fast way to do that.